Hi, welcome back to Valley News Live. We're taking a look up in Grand Forks where the snow is still coming down for folks up there. Here in Fargo, it's tapered off just a little bit, but up there it's still falling. Now, we only have a few snow reports so far, so if you have any, be sure to send those in. But out in Jamestown, we've seen already 3 inches of snow today, and here in Fargo, 1.8 inches. So that snow's still continuing, so we can expect more of that snow to fall and those reports to increase. Now, here in Fargo, we're seeing those temperatures in the low teens. It's 12 degrees and the wind chill making it feel right at 0 degrees, even though that wind's only blowing at about 8 miles per hour. It's still enough to make it feel pretty chilly. Now, a lot of that snow has drifted off east of the Red River, moving into Minnesota. And though it does look like it's tapered off a little bit, that's because the radar beam, which is there in Mayville, is actually overshooting the snow. Those clouds this time of year are pretty shallow, and as a result, it doesn't take much for those radars to shoot over the clouds. Now, visibility is an issue as that snow continues to fall, especially as where those winds are stronger. Up in Langdon, we see visibility of half a mile, while Grand Forks, it's at 1.75 miles. Here in Fargo, it's 5 miles. And as that snow moves off to the east, we can expect that visibility to drop there in Bemidji and Thief River Falls as well. Now, the temperature is sitting right about 10 degrees for folks in the south, a little warmer for those in Sisseton, but up along the border, it's mighty chilly there. Langdon sitting at 0 degrees and Hallock at 3 degrees, and those wind chills even colder. Here in Fargo, it's sitting at 0. Detroit Lakes, -2. Hallock and Langdon are sitting in those negative double digits, -10 and -15 degrees. And as we watch this snow start to taper off, we're actually going to see a round 2 by evening. So here we are about 4 o'clock, 3:30, and some of that snow in the northern valley is starting to push off to the east, and temperatures are going to start to plummet. Now, here comes that second round for folks in the southern valley who largely missed out on the snow this morning, but don't worry, you'll get your fair share tonight. Now, at that time, we're also going to see those temperatures start to plummet for folks along the border. -14 for folks in Langdon with their wind chill at -31 degrees, and it's only going to get worse as we move overnight. Now, as we move during the overnight period, we're going to see those temperatures very chilly. Look at that. -25 in Langdon with a wind chill of -39, Hallock -35, Grand Forks -31 for those there with their wind chill. Now, that second round of snow is going to scoot along the southern valley and be gone by about noon tomorrow, but those temperatures are going to stay very chilly. Hallock -27 as you head out for your lunch hour. Now, on the way home from work tomorrow afternoon, we're going to still see those temperatures pretty chilly, even though we're going to start to see a southerly breeze that is going to help us warm up just a little bit. But with our temperatures so low, it's only going to warm up just a little bit. Now, here's where that snow is going to move by. We're expecting about 2 to 4 inches, maybe a little bit more in some places. Now, tomorrow afternoon, largely expect that snow to be finished, but those temperatures, again, very chilly, so make sure you bundle up. Here in Fargo, we're going to start the day about -5 degrees and work up to 5 degrees after that snow stops for the afternoon. Now, here's another report from Dent, Minnesota from about 10:30, and it looks like they got just about 4 inches of snow there. And this next week, we have a few chilly days ahead of us, but by the end of the week, things aren't looking too bad. We have some 30s returning to the picture and another chance of snow on Sunday and Monday.
Always good when you can see a 30, but Jim, like you've been saying, Mother Nature about to throw that next round of weather at us pretty soon, so be on alert for that. Jim.